Hello, and welcome to Draw with Elena. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started drawing our Dimetrodon. I don't think I'm saying that right, so if I'm not, you'll have to let me know. A Dimetrodon is a type of dinosaur. First, let's start with a line, and then we're going to make a very long triangle that looks like it's fallen on its side. So I like to add a little dot that's a little further away, and then draw to that dot. Now I know that I make that look very easy, but it takes lots of practice. Everything in life worth doing is hard work. I can tell you that for sure. So Dimetrodon looks like it has a really long body, where its front and its back look like they're sort of blended together. I'm gonna give our little guy an eyeball. I'm gonna give him a smile, because I think dinosaurs were actually much nicer than we portray them. I think they liked their babies. Let's make 2 W's. I don't think they ate them. That would be ridiculous. These are our little paws. Maybe I'll give some little claws here. It's okay to make 4. Usually cartoons have 4, just because it seems a little bit more balanced. One of the best features of this particular type of dinosaur is a big arch on its back. Big, big arch. I wonder why God made something so silly. Well, I bet we look really silly to dinosaurs if they saw us today, don't you think? And then they've got lines moving up their giant fin. Now that is a very silly looking dinosaur. Probably not super accurate, but it's fun to draw this way. We don't want our little dinosaur to exist just on the ground, or floating in the air, excuse me. We want him to be on the ground. So maybe we'll draw a line that's a little bit like it's on a hill. Why not? It's our world. We can do whatever we want in it. And if I feel like it, I can add some grass. So if you make a V shape and a line, it looks like grass. It looks nice to cluster them together too. Makes them visually stronger. Grr. Like they're gonna take over the world, maybe. There we are. Just a little bit of personality, maybe a couple more. There we go. Even if you want to, you can add some shrubbery. What if I do that too? Make a squiggly line. There we go. Now it looks like a tiny little shrub, doesn't it? I think that was pretty fun. Maybe I'll do another one over here. Squiggly lines like that. There we go. Okay, now that was just fun. That's what's called improvisation. You just do something you didn't expect to do. Now I want to color my little guy in. So I'm going to use blue, because it's just like I made myself my very own coloring book, which is one of my favorite things to do. And coloring in is my favorite part. This is the part where you get to relax and just think about your day. Or maybe what you want to do tomorrow. That could be fun too, right? Tomorrow I'm going to go to work. I like my job. I'm an architect. I get to do fun things like draw all day long. Only I don't draw dinosaurs. I draw buildings. That makes a lot more sense, don't you think? It'd be pretty silly living inside of a dinosaur. They're really funny shapes. I mean, where would the elevator fit? Where'd you put the stairs? Now that's just silly. But it's fun to think about. Thinking about silly things is really fun. Okay. That's a really awkward shape to try to scribble in. But I think we're doing an okay job. What do you think? How's yours coming along? Everything measuring up the way you hoped it would? I would love to see what you come up with. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and especially don't forget to send me your photos. If they look really great, we can always put them on the internet and show off that to everybody else. Above all, happy birthday, William. You're 4 years old and you live in Wisconsin. Happy birthday. Great job, everybody.